video, I will tell you that how to search through a PDF document on Android, or how you can actually find a specific word in a PDF file. So first of all, we need to open up the PDF file here. So I will open up the file manager here, and I will go into the documents here, and I will actually search for the PDF file. So let's open up this PDF file here. And now if you actually find a specific word from here, let's suppose that you have a very long PDF file. So you don't want to actually scroll down all the way. And if you actually find a specific word, what you can do here you can see in this search option. Okay, so you must open your PDF file with Google Drive in order to use this feature. So you will tap on this one, and here it says find. So let's suppose if I wanted to search for computer, I will type here computer, and now it shows me that there are total of 4 results or 4 words computer here. So I will just tap on here, and here it shows me that where are these words, these specific words are. Okay, here. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.